here we go. We're pointing to Lake Lorelei. Pat Roy. Will you give me money? All right, we're approaching the picnic party here. We got a lot of cars. That's not us though. Straight ahead is us. All right, there they are. That's where we'll be. There's Xander, ready to fall in. What do you think, Uncle Bill? I was looking at the.
Yeah.
It's like a snowy Last Supper. Very interesting.
You want it anymore? Square a couple years ago.
Yeah.
And we were at the museum doing a staycation. The city was a staycation, so we had booths all over. And this woman came over with the current picnic T-shirt on.
Yeah.
And we started talking. She says, "Oh, I love this." She says, "I was up here for the first time I ran it. It was so great. I went back to Florida, and the following year I got all my friends, and we came back.
Come back just for the flying pig.
Just for the flying pig.
Yeah. Apparently, it's
well,
good course and like very well done. Apparently.
And there's people around.
It's It's the energy and everything. It's everywhere. It's pretty fun.
If my bones hold out, my muscles, 2026.
What, you going to do it? The full?
Yeah.
No, come on.
Oh, yeah. What I want to do is get people to run the relays. So I'll always have somebody with me.
Right.
So I just have to.
I'm not going to stop after 6 and then hit somebody else.
No.
Well, this is not good.
Wait, so he's going to be 81 when? When are you going to be 81?
July 25th.
Christmas in July.
Yeah, Christmas in July is his birthday. And he wants to run the flying pig next year. I mean, go
That would
be
15 marathons.
So you only have 14?
Yeah,
you need one more.
And my doctor ran 15 marathons.
You got to up the doc. Nice.
Oh, not up, you just did.
I know, I'm like, I mean, maybe, yeah. All right, I think someone's here. Oh my gosh, I think is it true? Are they here? It is. It is them. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's really Emily. Wow. This is amazing. And Emily's children.
And the famous room.
Oh yeah.
Didn't even get a chance to look at it.
What, the movie?
It was like that day. That's so fun. So is she like famous?
She's pretty famous. All right, let's see. We got some. Look at the wieners getting fried up over here by Ruthie. Look at this. Wow.
One of those years and put the duck on it.
All right.
Watch out, Uncle Ori's behind you.
He's so full, he's eating everything.
Oh, he's full? Okay.
Some kind of thing stung me between the toes. I barely walk.
Something stung you?
Yeah, some kind of a bug.
Wow, a
Oh.
spider.
Jensen, we
Woo! All right. Go Jensen!
Wow.
Are you breakdancing? Spin around. Woo!
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Uh-oh,
Yay,
anybody's
Jensen!
hungry, Philip?
Are you hungry?
No. Getting hungry. Chili
Some type of wash party and just do like different screening times, like 1 at 11 a.m.
Whoa. There's a baby. Hi, baby.
Come on, buddy. Let's go open them out here.
All right, we got some food. We got some lots of condiments over here. Who made that? Oh, hi, doggy.
And then sharpen back down. He wanted to get not completely, but he'll just do this. He needs to learn how to float on his back. Madison to schedule the baby has another place to go tonight. You do?
Hey, look, there's Natalie. She just got here.
You do, Natalie? No.
You got here waiting for us, didn't you?
You're one of the first people here.
Yeah. She's been hanging out down at the lake.
I think it's a leap.
Still there.
Jensen, come give me a hug.
Hi.
Hi, leaving?
Jensen! Jensen, I love you! Jensen, I love you!
What's a hug? Oh, I love you, buddy. Jenna wants a hug.
I'm Danielle, but I'll
You don't even think about Danielle's hug.
okay, I'll give one to Jenna.
Jenna's over there.
Give one to Jenna.
Oh, wow.
Where you going?
Oh,
Come back here.
squeezing tight. Oh, here he comes, Grammy. Granddad, get a hug. Watch out, Granddad. He can't, hold on.
Oh.
Not yet. He has to get a running start. How about Uncle Bill?
Anyone
How
else?
about Uncle Bill? How about Uncle Bill?
Back here.
Okay.
Good hugs.
He's a good hugger.
Love you.
ya.
Bye, ladies.
Bye. Have fun.
All right. We're live on the water. Gonna do a little kayaking. Jenna's over there in the tube. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
That's enough airtime for you. Oh, just kidding. There's more airtime. There's Jenna. There's Danielle. She's working. She's literally out in the middle of the lake, and she just got a call. I think her.
No, I get it. No, Lucy actually said,
So she's just got. I think she put a offer on a house today, and I think they just called and said they got accepted. So, good job. All right, we made it back. There's Jenna.
My dad's here as well. Say hi.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Lizzie.
Hi, Lizzie.
And my sister's here.
Hi, Jenna.
She's taking a drink of water.
Hi.
You called her mid-drink. And also my mom and my grandma are here as well, but anyway.
We're all here.
We're all here. And also my dad is vlogging this because I'm calling with some good news.
Okay.
They accepted your offer and you guys are officially under contract.
Oh, you're gonna make me cry on the highway. That's amazing. I thought they were gonna make a decision until tomorrow.
I know. I guess they just wanted the time.
There we
They
have
said
it.
They loved your offer. They
Right
also
here on the
said
vlog.
They loved that you loved the Easy Bake Oven.
Danielle's out here boss girl on it. What did you supposed to say?
Yeah,
Boss
they
girl?
said it feels very
I don't
meant to
know,
be,
something like that.
and they're
Anyway.
excited. So
I enjoy it. It's time to move on. I have cancer. 90 years old.
I understand. It's still a chore, you know.
Oh, cute dog. They're going in your basement.
Man, some kayaks. My camera's all fogged up from so humid out here.
Say hello and bye. You didn't say hello to you.
Oh, what's all over your bag? Oh my gosh. Well, this is what it looks like now. It's 7:17. Pretty hot out here today. 90. What's my watch say? It says 92. Definitely feels like it's about 99 degrees. But yeah, Pat just left. A lot of people are leaving. But this is what's left of the party. We're gonna be heading out. We're not even gonna stay for the fireworks. If I did get a new subscriber today, shout out to Kyle. Make sure to tell your friends, and we gotta get to 500. Push to 500. All right, we're got my new neck fan on. It's great. It's great for family events. Really loud. Pick one up at Walmart. I don't know. All right, we ended up staying. We're still here. It is 9:59, and we are about to head down and watch some fireworks. There we go. Fireworks. Woo! Oh, would you look at that? Just look at it. Oh, that was bright. Just look. Look at that. Just look at it. Just look at it. Oh, look at it. Just... Whoa! Would you look at that? God bless America. Woo! Jenna's missing it. Oh, amazing. Woo! Yeah! Let him cook.
Let them let it cook. Let 'em cook.
Woo! That's all she wrote.
Man, we missed it. I missed it.
All right, we have no idea what's going to happen here.
It's like the 5th of July.
Yeah, it's the 5th of July. Hey, let it cook. All right, go ahead. This could be. Yep, this is for Blake and his buddies.
Do this at home.
Oh my gosh. That was kind of loud.
So, same kid with the drum set.
Yeah. Let's take the kid on the drums again. Get that sheriff over there. Wow. Do I want ice cream for the road? What do you got here? Drumsticks.
Vanilla.
We got drumsticks over here.
Yeah, right.
All right, got me one. All right, heading out. Got me an ice cream, hitting the road. We're breaking down some boxes. No, we're not breaking down. We're breaking them up. Filling up the boxes. Anyway, make sure to hit like and subscribe. And we will see you tomorrow.